据说来不来？
在首发，可以看。
直播即将开始。要不要稍微远一点？要看哪里的？Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Mary from Forstall, and this is Jerry, my sales manager. And today it's our great honor to invite all of you to meet online. And it's first time to see all of you online. I'm not sure if we have old friends there, for example, Buddy and Bert and Hugo, and also other new friends. And it's very, I think for the Facebook broadcasting, it's a very new technology. Just like us, we Forstall are always focused on the new innovation, new technology. So it's very glad to see all of you here. And firstly, allowed us to make a brief presentation for our Forstall and our products. We Forstall engaged in the production, technology, and development and the sales for all of the Wi-Fi intelligent control system, no matter for the residential or the industry. And at the moment, we have the product lines for the Wi-Fi garage door operator, Wi-Fi roller door motor, what we want to show you today. And also besides, we have the new technology for the frequency conversion industry door operator, and the AC technology industry door operator, and all the other intelligent control system for the smart accessories. And now we have 7,650 square meters for our factory, including our Europe branch. Now we have the Europe branch, for example, in Czech Republic and Portugal and Spain and France, and soon we will provide more branches all over the world. Then we can provide what's the meaning we want to do this? We want to provide a very fast delivery and fast after sales service and also technical support. At the moment, we also have totally we have 120 family members in our Forstall, and including this, we will have 25 people for our R&D department. We have 8 persons for the physical construction design, and 17 people for our software and electronic design. So, based on these advantages for our powerful R&D department, then we have the strong ability in our physical construction design, software design, electronic design, and the strong ability in the machining operations. And also besides, based on our solid relationship with our Europe partners, for example, UK, France, Germany, then we have had a lot of new technology from the market. For example, train encoder technology for the garage door motor, and the new frequency conversion technology for the industry operator, and the higher speed and powerful lifting force technology, and also the automatic reverse EN12453. So based on this, we have Forstall. We have a lot of experience and the good feedback from the market. So today we just want to, it's a very temporary personally broadcasting from Mary, and I invite my friend Jerry, and so we just want to show you our new roller door motor, because a roller motor we already have launched in the last maybe 1 or 2 years ago, but now we have some new improvement on it. So that's why we want to show all of you. Yes, and so Jerry, maybe you have the priority to speak to all of one. Why we called our role motto? Why you named our role motto like this? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So first, you can see we have two series. The white one we call it S line, and the black one we call it C line. So for the S line and the C line, they are all the single part roller door operator, and the S line we call it the smart. So smart line,
Yeah.
it can make it very convenient and intelligent for your daily using. So you can see it has a wireless wall switch. Oh no, it's wired. It's wired.
It's
switch.
wide.
Wired wall
Yeah,
switch.
yeah.
But also when you remove this cable, it also can be the integrated panel.
Yeah, and
Control panel.
we will also have the
wall bracket.
and
Yeah.
also the protection cover for the water or the dustproof.
Yeah. So this is the S line. So it means some premium level
Yeah.
product. So this is C line we call it. So sometimes we call it economic. So because some people, some older one, they don't want too many complicated functions for their
Yeah.
daily using.
Yeah.
So they just want to open and close the door
Yeah.
with very simple function. So this is, we call it C line, the economic line.
Basic
so with
line.
a basic function, yeah. And it can also meet all your demands for the functions, and
Yeah.
also it meet all the safety standard. Even they are in the two levels, we call it, named them in two levels, but the quality and the product standards are the same. Yeah. So this is why we are going to put two lines, because we want to cover the market. But first we didn't produce two parts separated roller door motor, because we think this one will be better. The single part roller door opener would be better for the installation, for the after sales service, and even when the motor is broken, it will be more convenient to replace a new one for the single part. So this is how we want to make the product and bring to the market.
Yeah, and thanks Jerry, and for the nice story why we called S line and why we called C line and the simple life, and maybe we can give it another name, smart life.
Yeah.
So let's see how smart it is. So let Mary show you some details about it. Yeah, for example, sorry for the bad, for the not so well organized broadcasting room. It's just a personal broadcasting from Mary. So just have a simple look here. And for example, this is
this cable.
yeah, this is our S line. Yeah, and
We may help you.
yeah, you can help me, Jerry. And yeah, this is our S line. And besides, we also can have the additional built-in lithium battery backup. It's a 2 ampere hour capacity. Even after 24 hours, it can still running 50 cycles. Yeah, yeah. Maybe we can plug in.
Move the power.
Yeah. Just 1 minute. No need here. Hey Jerry. Help. And we can just remove, because it's very simple. Yeah, we just need to remove the power plug here, and then let's see how to slide in the battery backup here. This is the lithium battery backup here, and you can just simply slide in here. 是的 ，no here.
可以的同学，帮一下可以。
sorry.
看背面的信号，看背面的信号。
Yeah.
背面的信号。
Here. Yeah. Here. And we can just slide in here, and then plug in. Yeah. Then it's working. It's without power here. Yeah. You can see. 松了吗？ 松了。
上。
Okay. No. Yeah, here. Then it's a wide wall control wall panel and with the lithium battery backup. Yeah. So even though the
So we can also remove the plug of the cable.
yeah
So remove it.
yeah it's a panel
Yeah.
and the wall bracket and the cover here. Yeah. If we
But you can just put this. Put this here.
no I need it to show.
Okay.
I needed to show some details from the control panel. So I need the cable. Yeah. Yeah. For example, you can see the details here. It's not so maybe not so clear. For example, here it's a set button for confirm the setting. Yeah, and enter the menu setting. Yeah, here and this one it's open, close, stop, one cycle, and this is a close cycle. And here the code button is for the coding the remote or the cancel the remote. Long press the code button, it can cancel all the remotes. And for this S line, we will have the remote memory for 15 remotes, 15 coding. Yeah, and here it's a very smart function and also very safe function for the child. Yeah, it's a vacation mode.
Holiday mode.
Yeah, holiday mode. For example, yeah, if we press this one, and then all the control panel lock and yeah, oh no, means lock the remote. Lock the remote only. Yeah, and yeah, and here you also can choose the left side installation or the right side installation for the different different installation type. Yeah, and here also a very smart function for the speed adjustment. Yeah, you can choose 2 speed, 100% speed adjustment for the smaller door, and the 80% travel speed for the bigger doors. Why we need this? Because for example, this roller motor, it's specially designed for the Australia and the UK and the Middle East, and there will be a lot of different types and different area, different square meters doors. So we just set this function to protect the motor, to also protect the doors. That's a function. Why we do this. Yeah. And here also very smart function for the auto clothing here. Yeah, auto clothing. You can see we will have the 99 settings for the auto close, but normally set in factory mode it's 15 seconds for the auto close. Yeah, and here it's a special function, the force margin. That means for example in Australia, in UK or in Middle East, if comes a bigger wind, a heavy wind, then it will affect the door closing. So we also set this special function while the heavy windy comes. Yeah.
Also, when sometimes your door is losing balance and you don't have time to fix the door, so you can quickly adjust the force margin. Then you can close the door and go out.
Yeah. I think this is just a very simple smart functions just from the panel. Jerry,
maybe I think our friends may have some question. So you see, there are some numbers are flashing.
Yeah.
So what is these numbers mean?
Yeah. Do you know what the numbers mean? It's also the running cycles from this opener. running cycles. For example, we can see 0, 0, and 17. That means this opener already operated 17 cycles. 17 cycles.
Already.
I think we have a lot of hidden functions, and later we can describe one by one. And so, Jerry, do you know any other special highlights from our S-line opener?
Yes, of course. We
Yeah.
have some very,
So your time. Okay.
we have some very good structural design during
Yeah.
our. So first, let me check. We have some bearing inside. It's a real bearing inside to ensure the running, how to say, radical. To ensure the running stability of this drum. So it may cause, it can bring big power, but still, even the door drum is very big, but it can still hold and give the stability.
Yeah. So anything else? Yeah.
Okay. So another one.
Yeah. Just 1 minute. We just prepared some components here to see very clearly inside.
So you can see inside, our gear motor is special designed and with the clutch. And also, I would like to introduce the encoder technology of our roller door operator. We use the very advanced, the absolute value technology for the encoder. So it means we have some advantages on this encoder technology. It's no touch with the motor, and it means it's not mechanical, so it will not have problem during long time using.
Yeah.
And second one, so you can adjust the encoder data for every cycle running. So it means
and also have the self adjustment.
Self-learning, self-adjustment. So it means even your door is losing balance, but during next running, so the motor can feel your door is losing balance. It needs more power, and then it will give more power. Also, it will record the right position limit.
Yeah. Also the automatic reversal force
Will go up automatically.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
means the safety standard. It is.
Yeah.
So this is encoder technology. Our is electronic encoder technology. It brings a high precision, and also we use a very advanced microchip to save more data and offer a very quick calculation for the data. So during the running during the closing or opening a door, all the encoder will keep saving the data and also do the calculation of this data to give more precision for the door limit and also for the safety standard. So this is our technology inside Mary.
For the safety, for the safety, I think. Yeah. Besides, we will also.
I think
This weight bar.
Also, we have this. I believe you know all about this. This we call it weight bar, and this what is inside? You guess?
You can guess.
Yeah, normally, and we should know that normally someone will put some sand inside, but
I
no.
think it goes inside.
Goat, no. But sometimes they will put sand inside, but ours is real steel inside, so it can give you a real weight. Yeah, a real weight, and also it's very solid weight because sand will be affected by the weather. When the air is wet, the sand can be heavier. Yeah. So steel can be stable and solid. It will not be affected by the weather, by the temperature. So this is a good product. You should buy
Very
it.
solid. Yeah. It's a standard kit.
Yeah, it's in the standard
It's a
kit.
standard kit.
Yeah, it's in the standard
to
kit.
add the weight, to also add the weight, because roller door form is very light.
Yes. And our extension.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe.
Okay.
Next, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I also just have introduced this clutch. This clutch is with very good design. It's like a cyclable clutch. Yeah, recyclable clutch. So no matter whenever you want to move your door manually by your hand, you just need to just clip this, and then you can do it.
Yeah.
Very convenient. You don't need to have two ropes, the green one or red one.
Yeah,
Sometimes we will make mistake. Yeah.
Yeah, and
The next one, I think it is our wall switch. Mary just has introduced with a very good design. So it can be compared. It can be put on together with the motor, or it can be put on the wall.
use a separate,
Yeah.
like a wall switch,
Yeah.
wall panel.
And I think we can show with this bracket.
Yeah.
So when we use
Yeah,
when we
yeah.
put on the wall, so it would be like this.
Yeah. We're going to get it through.
Yeah, so put from back, and then we can put it inside, and use screw to mount on the wall. Then
And also, I needed to thank the person, thanks to Buddy, thanks for your valuable advice, because you told me that you sometimes with just a simple wall switch here, and because it's mounted outside, so it will have a lot of wind and raining and dust, so we needed a cover. Then we followed you, and thanks for your valuable advices. So if Buddy is there, if Bertie is there, if Hugo is there, just say hello to me and give some likes on Mary and Jerry. Okay.
great.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
see, we have thought a lot from the beginning of the designing this new product.
Yeah.
So we think we have covered a lot of things from the design, because I think a good product comes from the design. So after all this, next one I think we need to think about what the functions can be,
Yeah.
what they need, what our friends need.
What other functions that does our S-Line have? Yeah. Maybe we can see some details. For example, we will have, of course, I think for all the market, the most important is for the safety. So we have a lot of safety functions. For example, the most important, it's automatic reverse. No matter it's for our road motor or our industrial operators and also our garage door operators, the most important is the safety. So all of our force products for the operators, we will have the safety reverse. And I think for Europe, we also we approved, compliant with EN 12453, even for this road motor. So that means once the door touches an obstacle, then it will rebound very quickly. Within 0.75 seconds, then it will rebound. Also within the reversal force is below 400 newtons. Yeah, that's the most safety functions from our force products. I think even for the industrial operators, I think within 14 square meters, no need the external safety devices. For example, safety ad, photo beam, no need. It will rebound. Yeah. Even I think for our new AC industrial operator, we are also trying about the soft close. Yeah. I think from force, everything is impossible. It's very competitive parameter, especially for Spain market, I think. Yeah. And that's just also we can call it that a very simple function from our force door, but also very competitive function from the market. Yeah. And then we can see also, I already mentioned, and Jerry also mentioned, we will have the speed adjustment. It's also for the safety and the prolonged service life of our operators and our doors, your doors. Yeah.
All the panels are the quick
Yeah.
settings, so you don't need to go to the deep menu for the setting. So you just can do it. But we also have a lot of functions inside, I think. Right?
Yeah. And also the running cycles from the control panel. Also, we will have a hidden function for the maintenance alarm countdown. Let's see, it's a hidden function here. For example, if we can just long press the down button. For example, we can set our maintenance alarm setting. We have 15 levels, 15 settings, 500 cycles. Cycles is one setting. And for example, if you set the maintenance alarm setting on 7,500 cycles, once this operator achieves these cycles, then the LED light will flash 10 times quickly, and also will have a buzzer rings. Then your installers or your end users will call you, "Hey Jerry, my door needs the maintenance." Yes, yeah. And also maybe you can also charge some cost from them. It depends on you. And also we also can check. From this panel, we also can check the countdown of the maintenance alarm running cycles. For example, you set the cycles, maintenance alarm cycles in 7,500 cycles. You also can just simply press the down button here. Then you can see how many cycles it's left here that your door or our operators needed to do the maintenance. Yeah, I think it's very smart. Yeah. It's also very obvious for your end users or especially your installers to see it. Yeah.
Yes. So actually, we have a lot of good designs and a lot of functions. But I think, Mary, we have to explain another two things for our friends. So first one, I think they will very focus on what the installation. So I think our Deputy General Manager Tom can do some introduction about the installation space, especially the installation space, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Tom?
So
Tom, you can. So
Yeah,
Mary will translate, I think.
We just another jump in. It's very our great honor to invite our deputy general manager, also the supervisor on our technical department. So he will install.
Tom
He will describe some details on the technical department. Also, if you have any questions, you can just leave the questions on our broadcasting room. Then we can give you the solution on site. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because we just
If our
introduced to our friends that they may think about how about the installation space. 安装空间，我们说的。
Yeah. So if anyone have the questions,
it's very important.
Oh, I see. There's someone. Hello, friend. Rail missing. Yeah. Do you have user or agent in Indonesia? Yes. At the moment, for the Indonesia, it's a vacant market in our four store. Yeah.
We don't have right now.
Yeah. So let's see some. It's just. I think they invite Tom. It's just an accident here.
No,
but I
it's
think,
not an accident.
But I think it's very useful and helpful, especially for the end users or our clients all over the world. So is anybody there? If you have questions, if you have doubts, if you have information requests, just let me know and we can give you the solution on site, no problem. Also, we have the industry door operators here. Yeah. Okay. Hello, Tom. Come here. Yeah. 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 I will translate
Yeah.
for Tom.
张总，我觉得我们应该给他们介绍一下这个安装空间的一个问题，因为这个是卷门机用户最关心的一个问题。因为这个问题对于他拿回去，他的旁边的空间有多少，能不能安装这一个电机，是影响很关键的。So our Deputy General Manager Tom would explain in Chinese, but don't worry, Mary will translate.
Yeah, it's okay. Also, you can learn Chinese, no problem. Yeah.
卷门机的安装空间，这个是卷门机的安装支架，就是安装的斜支架，斜支架。
Triangle.
所以说卷门机的真正的安装空间，从你的斜支架上面来说的话，我们进去的话，我们就是这么粗这么宽，大概是4公分，设计是4公分。
I think for the side room of our roller door motor, normally we will set the standard for the 40 millimeters for the side room.
卷筒是在这里，卷筒是在这里，
Yeah.
只有这一块。
The drums is here. You can see the drums is here. Yeah.
对，卷筒在这里，这是安装空间上的问题。他们要
And I think
No matter
second
it's for
one,
the left side or the right side, it's
Yeah.
the same.
I think second one, someone would be ask, how long is this fork? How long is this fork? And if my roller door, the drum wheel inside.
Will not touch inside.
Yes.
Yeah, then we will have also an additional extension fork here. Yeah. But this is not for the standard kit here.
Yes,
So
it's
we
not
didn't
for
show.
standard kit, but we have an extension fork, so we can just put here, install here, and then it can move for longer drum wheel. Yeah.
Yeah.
So thanks Tom
Yeah.
for the
So-
explanation of the installation space.
Yeah. So if anybody's here and you have other questions, you can just leave us. Yeah. Is Buddy there? Is Bert there? Is your Hugo there?
I don't know. I'm not so sure.
Okay. Yeah. So let's continue. And I think for the smart functions for our S line, we will also have a very safety function.
No, Mary, wait a minute. I think just we have two questions. One is the installation space. The second
Yeah.
one is if someone wants to connect with a photo cell, with a warning lamp, where can I connect?
Oh, here. Then you can see very simply here. But yeah, you can Jerry hand it.
Oh, it's here.
And here, it's all the external ported. You can simply connect. You can simply connect with the photo beam and flashlight, and also other safety devices
Universal
here.
receiver, something like
Also,
that.
another very smart here. This is for the Wi-Fi ported, USB Wi-Fi modular. Now you can just simply plug in here. You can see the hole here. Then I think the most highlight for this Wi-Fi is we four-store. Use this Wi-Fi, you can control all four-store product series. For example, industrial operators and the Wi-Fi for the roller door motors, and of course the garage door operators. Very smart. Yeah. And also, I think for the safety, we will have another very important function for the soft close. Yeah. For the soft close. Yeah. From the setting, we will set a soft close in 100% and 15% and 40, 30, 20. We will have the 5 levels. What's that meaning of this soft close? It is meaning to reduce the impact on the roller door while normal operation. It will reduce the impact. Yes, reduce the impact. So we can set the soft close from our manual setting. It's the manual 2.0. Yeah, we will have 5 settings. Yeah, and also we will have the soft auto close. We already mentioned auto close. For the 99 settings, for the factory default setting is 15 seconds. Yeah. And also the maintenance alarm, and also you can choose the photo cell on and off. We can choose the two types to suit for the different types of your clients' photo beam is. But normally the standard we suggest you to use the NC, normally close contact for the photo cell. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and also the partial open. Yeah, the partial open and the validation, the partial open. We will have the nine settings. Nine settings for 190, 20 to 10 of the whole travel. Yeah, let the air easily get in. Mm-hmm. Anything else, Jerry?
Yeah, I think maybe we also can show the U-boat.
U-boat
The
here.
settler, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So first design this U-boat, especially for the roller door opener to put on the steel bar. And also in the accessories bag, we will have the screws, nuts, and also metal parts. And maybe Mary, what's included in one box of the roller door opener? Does it contain Wi-Fi?
No, I think for Wi-Fi it depends on you because but all our operators are interviewed with Wi-Fi function. But in order for you to divide the market, so it will not be set on the standard kit. Yeah, but you can choose separately. You can buy separately. Also, you can provide your clients separately. Then, I think for different markets, we'll have the different demands on this. Yeah.
Yes. So I think in one roller door opener, there would be. So this has a cover.
Also have a cover, single cover.
So in one box of roller door opener, we have one motor and two transmitter. I think we can show the transmitter.
Yeah, two transmitters here. Yeah, 4 buttons. Also, I think we've got one very good functions. The buttons recognition functions. What's that mean? For example, we have the two options. For example, if you open the buttons recognition function, if you coded only one button here, you can see if you only coded one button here, then all the 4 buttons, this is 4 channels, yeah, this is 4 channels, and you can connect with four operators, no matter it's a sliding gate opener, or no matter it's the industry door operator, or no matter it's a roller motor, 4 channels here. And if you close this function, then if you just, for example, you coded one button, and all the 4 buttons will only be available and to control just one opener. Yeah. And here. Oh, sorry. Hey, Gloria, what's that meaning for the Spanish friend type here? Edward. Hello, Edward. Hola, Edward. Buenos dias. Okay. I can only speak just one sentence here.
Very great.
Yeah. And what's that meaning?
That means
Gloria?
can I use optical edge sensor on the roller door operator?
And Tom, can we use?
我们表面上能用3线红外吗？
No. For the roller motors, it's not available to contact the optical safety edge. But for you can see here, for our industry door operators, it's no problem. You can't see very clear here. We can connect here. Yeah. For the industry door operators, it's okay. Yeah. Anyway, you maybe later you can inbox. Hey Edward, maybe later you can inbox Mary and we will have our technical advisor and our sales to contact with you for the further information. Okay? Yeah. And welcome all of you to have questions or to have opinions or the feedback from the market. No problem. Just let us know. And if you have questions or doubts or problems or complaints, we are very welcome, all of you, to give us feedback. Yeah. Yeah. So I think we will have a lot of more functions and the new technology and the new products. For example, here, yeah, maybe Jerry can describe some. Yeah, you can see. This is our industry.
We have industry door operators and some accessories for safety.
Yeah.
And also, this is our new product. This is with a frequency conversion module inside. And this can lift the sectional door up to 50 square meters.
50, yeah.
Yeah, 50 square meters. So it's very strong, but it is just a part of our products range.
Yeah.
We have more products like garage door operator, industrial door operator, roller door opener, and also a lot of accessories we design and produce by ourselves.
And for this one, it's a new technology for the frequency conversion. Also, maybe you can have a look. Yeah, it's a frequency conversion. It's just a simple card here. Yeah, frequency conversion. But I think for today, time is limited. We will not introduce so much.
Of course, but they can leave us message.
Yeah, you can leave us message.
What do you want to see and what do you want us to introduce?
Yeah.
Products, functions, or accessories. We can do that.
Yeah.
We follow our
Your
opinion.
opinions. Yeah. Maybe we can arrange some next following broadcasting noise broadcasting room from Forstall. Yeah, we will build a new new broadcasting room. And today is just a very simple room here and invite.
So I think we have friend just leaves a message. Gloria
yeah.
Oh, you just replied.
Yeah. Oh, what? All I do? Oh, I can't read the Spanish. Someone can translate it. Okay. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. We if anybody there and have questions or have some information needed, you can just inbox Mary and we will contact you very soon. Okay.
Okay. Great.
Yeah. So it's very nice to see all of you here, and thanks Jerry, my friend, and to have the broadcasting, and thanks all of you for your time there. Maybe we can see them next time.
Yeah, just wait for their opinion. To see what product we need to prepare.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
So thank you. Have a
Have a
nice
good
day
day.
and bye bye. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.